If you don't play bar chords, or if you don't have Bm7 in your guitar chord vocabulary, if you listen to the sound of it, it's very similar to a D chord, which I'm sure you do have. Listen to the two sounds again. And D. And that means in any song that you're learning, if there's a Bm7, you could play a D chord instead of it. Or at least while you're waiting to master Bm7, which we cover in our bar chords program. So instead of going like this and into the Bm7, you can go G and D. They're so similar in sound that a trained musician will recognize the difference, but most people would never pick up on it. In any song where you're learning, where there's a Bm7, just place the D in instead. And that will be more than good enough until such time as you're competent at your bar chords. I do have a separate program and book out specifically on how to learn bar chords correctly in about 3 to 4 weeks. That's all it takes if you want to do it professionally. But if not, the D is more than good enough to do instead. If you have any questions or thoughts on this, please let me know in the comments below and I will do my best to help you with it. Or you can email me through my support as well.